shirt on today.
Yeah, there you go. Alrighty, here we are, Prestige. This is Steve. This is his little 360 small block Ford. Just got done running it. He came down to watch it. We're actually going to install this in his car. What year is your car and make?
1970 Ford Mustang convertible.
Great, great. So, give you a description of this combination. It's got the CHI Cleveland heads on it, Cleveland manifold. Like if you follow our process, it was quite a bit of work to get the manifold to go onto the motor, but we got it accomplished. Obviously, it's EFI. It's got the Accufab throttle body, Terminator X ECU, custom grind hydraulic roller. Got the March serpentine set up front. Made sure it alternator charged. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3500s, 418 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 456, peaks horsepower 489. So really, it's got one of our 425 cams in it. Obviously, a little bit more rocker arm on the Cleveland, but it just runs really good because of the Cleveland head. It's got an open plenum manifold. So great little combination, a lot of work, and we're excited to get in this car and see how it runs in the car. Have a great day.